Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off notifications pop-up window for particular apps or all apps in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. First of all, in your phone, go to the settings. Then go to notifications and status bar. And here go to pop-up. And if you would like to disable pop-up for all apps like albums, Amazon browser. So here what are all the apps that have enabled for this, just you can disable it by turn off this button, show pop-up window, so it will not be showing for those apps. Okay, so suppose if you would like to disable for particular app, keep this this turned on, then you can just turn off for particular apps like album, Amazon browser. So in this two way you can do it. You can totally disable pop-up window for all apps or some particular apps. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.